Hello everyone. In this phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter W. The sound of the letter W is W. W. Let's try a few words which start with the W sound. W is for web. W. W. Web. W is for wall. W. W. Wall. W is for well. W. W. Well. W is for wax. W. W. Wax. W is for wool. W. W. Wool. W is for wood. W. W. Wood. W is for wand. W. W. Wand. W is for worm. W. W. Worm. W is for wind. W. W. Wind. W is for waves. W. W. Waves. W is for water. W. W. Water. W is for watch. W. W. Watch. W is for wizard. W. W. Wizard. W is for window. W. W. Window. W is for watermelon. W. W. Watermelon. And not to forget me, W is for wolf. W. W. Wolf. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter W with me. See you again very soon in another phonics class. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.